Tamil Nadu and parts of Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Puducherry have been grappling with the impact of cyclonic storm Mikshawn since 2 days now. The roads have been submerged in the areas and several parts are witnessing significant inundation. But do you know how is Cyclone Mikshawn named? Or how are cyclones named in India? Cyclone Mikshawn, suggested by Myanmar to symbolize resilience and strength. It is the sixth cyclone to form in the Indian Ocean this year and the fourth in the Bay of Bengal. The Indian Meteorological Department's earlier prediction about Cyclone Mikshawn forming in the southwest Bay of Bengal on December 3rd was confirmed on December 4th. The naming of tropical cyclones is the responsibility of the World Meteorological Organization and the member countries of the United Nations Economic and Social Commission. In 2004, a naming formula for cyclones in the Indian Ocean region was established. 8 countries, including Bangladesh, India, Maldives, Myanmar, Oman, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Thailand, contributed a list of names. These names are assigned sequentially to cyclonic storms as they develop. The chosen names are designed to be easy to remember and pronounce, free of offense or controversy, and diverse in language to cater to various regions. Since 2000, a new system for naming tropical cyclones in the northern Indian Ocean has been in place. The names are listed alphabetically based on the contributing countries. National Meteorological and Hydrological Services of WMO member countries propose the name list for specific regions, and they are approved by the respective tropical cyclone regional bodies during the annual or biennial sessions. Subscribe to Daily Salah Digital for more such updates.